The greatest global gathering, Expo 2020 Dubai, will be home to over 190 countries, including Botswana, under the theme, Connecting Minds, Creating the Future.
We did not fight for independence. We found comrades in strategic places. Our path to revolution was one through collaboration and wit. But our path to transformation, it began one moody night in the Valley of Stars. We tumbled across a curious seed, luminous, impervious, and perfect. Knowing that nothing happens in isolation, we forged smart partnerships, found more and planted them right back into our land. The diamonds took root, and so our connections grew, revealing new minerals and possibilities. And as our connections grew, we branched out. Markets bloomed. Talents became jobs. Jobs created markets, and wealth began to flow. Ours is a legacy of smart partnerships. Because when the right minds meet, sparks fly and ideas bear fruit. Ore becomes jewelry. Millet becomes beer. Reeds become fashion. Trash becomes treasure. It's up to us to connect the dots. Moto ke moto ka batho. Only together we can achieve truly beautiful things. Together we will outpace progress.
Join us from the 1st of October 2021 to the 31st of March 2022. For more information, please visit www.arekopaneng.brandbotswana.co.bw. Botswana, our pride, your destination.